nagbenta.
Pa! Tama na!
Oh my gosh! Guys, have you heard about the latest shooting in Tacloban? Students nowadays are a maniac!
I know, right? Dapat may extra guidelines and strict protocols talaga. Hindi yung ano-ano lang, kundi yung effective.
Nakakatakot naman. What if mangyari yan dito sa school natin? Paano lang kaya?
Huwag ka naman magsalita ng ganyan.
Nakakakilabot! I'm really scared. What if huli na tayo para tumakas at matamaan tayo?
That won't happen.
Ha? Paano ka nakakasigurado?
Because if that ever happens, I'll be your right hand.
Hoy! Sorry ha, napakan ko pagka-love team nyo. Wanna hang out together?
Let's go!
Guys, sorry, but mauna muna ako.
Ha? Bro, bakit?
Sorry guys, kailangan ko umuwi. Emergency lang.
Hoy! May pasok na tayo!
Ano kayang nangyari?
I hope he's okay.
Ba't ang tagal mo? Kasalanan mo to. Magtrabaho ka at huwag ka na pumasok. Bayaran mo lahat ng bills ng mama mo. Total, kasalanan mo naman lahat ito.
Tama na! It's not my fault! Pa, wag mo naman isisil sa akin lahat. Ang bigat na. Kung hindi ka lang nagpapakalasing araw-araw, hindi sana atakihin sa puso si mama.
Bastos ka! Sumasagot ka pa ha? Lumayas ka dito at magtrabaho ka. Total, wala ka namang pupuntahan. Litchi ka.
Nakakapagod. Sobrang hirap. All I want to do is be with my friends and go to school. Though I am left out, and it makes me question my worth.
Ben, it's been 2 weeks na since absent na yung Gabriel na yun.
Na, we don't need him that much naman.
We can still spend time together. And besides, we have a new friend and she's far away better than him. Right, sure? Yeah, guys, I got your back.
Hala, bumalik na siya.
Duh, I don't care naman eh.
Guys, is he actually a loner?
Guys, the test was so equal. We all passed.
Yeah, that means you should celebrate, right?
Yes! Tara, drahan tayo!
Yeah, let's go! Yay!
I was only gone for 2 weeks, yet may bago na silang kaibigan. Was I even worthy enough for them? Hindi lang naman ako kinamusta. Used to do things without me. They did not even acknowledge me, but I won't let that drag me down. Sometimes, living means healing.
Choosing yourself is not selfish. Step away from the tables where love and respect are not being served. Your peace is worth the empty chairs, because an empty space holds the promise of a healthier and a happier beginning.
Guys! Nakapasa ako sa exam!
Congrats bro! Proud kami sa'yo.
And keep on mind na palagi kami nandito para sa'yo in ups and downs.
Just be with the right circle, bro.
Not just us, a certain someone to.
Tao po!